Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up a VPN on Redmi A5. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Then select this application and click install. And now click open and then click agree and continue. Then you can close this ad and click allow. Then click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad and click consent. And as you can see, I'm connected to VPN United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.